hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6307, the royal banner planted at the summit of our field of battle. Value area low, VL, 6264, the sturdy castle gate defending the lower flank. Point of control, POC, 6286, the central jousting ground where most knights clashed. Support zone, 6264 to 6286, the fortified ramparts where loyal allies muster. Resistance zone, 6307 to 6310, the drawbridge and outer wall that repel intruders. Single prints at escape paths. Lower, 6251 to 6253, a narrow sally port. If price slips here, responsive longs may rally. Upper, 63110 to 63110, the lone turret, breakthrough, and momentum charges onward. Market context. The 3-day profile reads like a balanced tilt yard. Price has jousted between VL 6264 and VAH 6307, with the POC 6286 nearly dead center. This symmetry suggests a stalemate. Knights on both sides have held their lines. Yet beneath the banners, CVD shows a net gain of 9531, hinting that our buying champions have mustered reinforcements. Overall, the tourney is wide-ranging, but skews mild bullish as fresh cavalry gathers. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD stood at 8608 as the first horn sounded. Intraday peak buying. CVD soared to 21596 at high noon when buyer knights rallied. Current CVD 18139, a net gain of 9531 since dawn's trumpet. Intraday low. CV dipped to 7100 at the lowest ebb of the day's battle. Interpretation. Bullish cavalry stampeded mid-session but encountered stout resistance. Buyers remain on horseback, but fresh momentum will be needed to storm above VH. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, 6264 to 6286, where loyal footmen hold the line. Stop loss, below the single print moat at 6251, to protect against a false rally. Profit targets, first at POC 6286, then at VAH 6307 for full glory. Short trades. Entry zone, 6307 to 6310, under the castle's outer battlements. Stop loss, above the single print turret at 6310 to guard against a breakout charge. Profit targets, first at POC 6286, then at VAL 6264, as defenders crumble. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, triumphant charge above VAH. Should price breach 6307, knights surge into uncharted lands. Setup, enter long above 6307, stop at 6286, target 6350 on bullish momentum. Scenario B, shield wall at VAH rejection. If the drawbridge holds and price retreats from 6307. Setup, short on the first rejection, off 6307, stop above 6310, target 6286, then 6264. Scenario C, castle gate breach, below VL. If the gate at 6264 gives way to bearish siege engines. Setup, short a break below 6264, stop above 6270, target 6251 at the single print moat. Scenario D, valorous defense at VL. If knights rally at 6264 to repel invaders. Setup, long at 6264, stop at 6251, target 6286, then 6307 for counterattack glory. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.